Come fucking scratch your eyes out.
Oh shit! Oh! Get it! Oh, this is it! Grab that motherfucker! Oh! Grab it! Hey, get it! Yeah, put him in the bucket! Oh shit! Oh! In the bucket! Put him in the bucket! Take his ass outside! Hey, take him outside! Outside! Dude, what the fuck is wrong with you?
No, I'm not going to.
Let's go give it over there.
That means that they fucking over here.
I'll take it inside over there.
We're gonna throw the trash all in the front, right? You guys got trash to throw out or no?
I don't know what you guys are up to, but get the hell out of my office.
I'm throwing trash.
Get out. Get out of my office. I don't know what the fuck you're... No. Out. Ew, get out of here.
It's a little baby.
Get it out. Because you know what? That's going to go, Get it out.
another one. Huh?
No paychecks for you. Nothing's not paid tonight.
They're gonna call Peter or whatever on us.
I knew you were up to something. I knew it.
Nah, I'm outside talking to him, showing him the video.
It's the same one.
Nah, or maybe.
It probably is. It's the same thing.
Nah. That one was all white.
You live in the valley. You don't scream at those things.
Nah, I was just gonna have.
You're the screamer.
Nah, I wanted to just put it the fucking trash can right. Oh shit, the trash can right.
Sometimes he gets phone calls and he has to run.
It was. So I'm standing at the door now, and I'm talking to fucking I don't know who, and it just walks by the bay door.
It's clearly not afraid of you, because it's just like...
He's trying to fuck with me. Hold on.
It's just like walking around.
What's up, y'all? Back at it again with this week's edition of Shop Talk. All right, we're gonna go right into it as we always do. Give you some updates on the projects that we currently have, which are getting closer to the stages of paint for one of them, completion for one of them, and a new project that we took on as well, amongst all the other stuff that we got and with the crew doing. All right. Right here. Last time we talked about this one, the Pops 240Z. We had just pulled it out of paint. All right, we're trying to get it outside so you guys can see it in the daylight, so you can actually see what this paint looks like. Right now, Mondo went in on getting this back assembled, as well as with Nando. Nando went ahead and pretty much 90% of the bodies all together. You got the front lip, octane lighting, LED headlights. Headlight bezels are on, new markers. We went ahead and hit all the chrome trim originally into a satin black. So window trim's all satin black, door handles satin black, marker light bezels, rear bumpers, front bumper, so that it accents this bright green the best way it can. Mondo got the motor in, the transmission in. We're doing the Harley SERP system on it. All the suspension's done. And actually, I think Josh can insert some pictures or videos here. We went ahead and shot all the suspension in a matte bronze, which is the same color as the wheels. All right, now peep this. Come on, get low. We went ahead and hit the Willwood brakes in like an off-white, and then did the Willwood logos in a matching bronze. So that's the front. The rear setup is nice. Gonna run a hydraulic e-brake on this too, not necessarily for drifting, but just for a parking brake. So you can see the setup back there. Too much to list on this thing, but it is coming together lovely. Hopefully by next week we'll have everything on the motor side done. New steering column with electric assist. We got all the other little bronze accents that we have, which need to go on next week. But this one's coming out really good, all right? Crew's been killing it on that one, as you know. And as we have here, which I know may look repetitive, but there's been a lot of work going into this one. So The OBS has went through its first stage of primer. Nando's over here now doing the first stage of blocking. All right, after we do that, then we will do another stage of primer, and then do a sanding, and then we'll hit it with actually some color. So as you see right now, it's just really long blocking going over to make sure there is no low or high spots on this. If there is anything like that, we work it right now before we take it to the next set of primer. One little thing we actually added to this right now, is because I don't believe in having wipers on none of these builds that you'll see we do. All right, so this is a Grant Fab wiper delete cowl. All right, we got to work this in a little bit, but it looks a lot cleaner versus that plastic cowl with the wipers. Just to find out, kind of like make this thing fully finesse, because I mean these trucks are pretty basic as far as body lines. There's not much to them. Only thing you guys, mirrors, handles, like I said, everything else has been shaved. So that little thing kind of, you know, it's like set the car apart for us in our eyes. Blake, he probably can't see it because he's blind anyway, so he won't even notice, but you know, something that, you know, we had to throw on.
My face right now.
Am I hitting your face? Okay, here's mine.
Yeah.
Yo, you want to trade or what?
Yo, what up?
I was trying to see.
Oh, what you doing?
I was trying to see if there was a different way we could do this.
Nah, just say something. Hey, by any chance, you got the fucking They're fucking right at the doors. The fuck is this bull ass shit? Is this supposed to be up top?
No, I couldn't get the tape unstuck to do more.
Like, is this supposed, I'm supposed to walk in there?
Yes,
with my
but
face
it was
and stuff?
stuck. I couldn't get it unstuck.
I'm back behind the camera again. Just look at this. Look at this. Look at the little ass shorts. Fucking woolly mammoth over here with fucking baby ass shorts on.
So you figure out how to work it? I hope this goes on YouTube. I'm here to leave a Yelp review. For whoever's gonna see this, right? So he's got this pretty little fucking board right here. You know, every time I come in, my truck is just magically written on a date, and then I come back on that date, and my truck is just sitting somewhere, not getting a fucking thing done. So, just so the people at home know, this is just purely aesthetic. This board means nothing to this place, this fucking establishment.
Excuse me? Take your happy ass
See,
out of here.
he says GMC Sierra exhaust. If I walk my ass out there ain't no fucking GMC Sierra getting his exhaust done.
Bitch.
That's it.
Bitch, it's
This is
the
a date.
29th.
This is a date there.
It's
Dog,
next
that's
week.
not even a real date.
Oh shit. It's 5 o'clock? Oh shit, okay, alright. Alright, my bad. Nando over here getting harassed, as usual. Hey, can you let him do his job? Let him do what he's gotta do.
That does it.
He says that you're bothering him. Alright?
He said that, or are you saying that for him?
No, first of all, you ask him for his
That's a
number.
grown man. He can speak for himself.
You ask him for his number, now you over here just watching him?
Dog, we've been texting all day.
Bet hell.
Trying to sweet talk me and shit. When you turn your palm like that, we got the same color.
Nah, you said still too light.
What do you mean? Put it, bro.
Yeah,
That looks.
not even close.
That's unity.
Well, that's the problem is because that's you saying it.
That's equality.
Fucking blind ass. You know, I got shit to do.